Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to talk about how to work Google Analytics for event and how we can use this event. So let me show you in my screen. So Google Analytics event is our website user activity, our website user interaction. So Google Analytics 4 have 4 types of event. One automatically event, enhanced measurement event, recommended event, and custom event. So when we use custom event, and in this tutorial I will show you. So automatically collected event is first visit, session start, user engagement, page view. And when we set up Google Analytics for base code and page view is working, now I'm going to show you what is automatically event. So now I'm on Google Tag Manager account. Now I'm going to the preview and then I will show you. I put our website URL on here and connect. So our tag assistant successfully connected. Now I'm going to the shop page and I'm going to the analytics, and here is the debug view and waiting for debug view is coming. These are automatically event. You can see point page view session start is already working. Now I'm going to another page, click add to cart button. I'm now going to the view cart, close this. I'm going to the view cart right now, and here is our Google Analytics base code is fired 3 times. Now I'm going to the preview. So Google Analytics 4 have automatically event is page view, session start, user engagement, page view. There have no session start cause of only one user right now visiting our website. When I use another browser, then it will be another session start. These are actually working. So these are actually automatically event. Now I'm going to talk about enhanced measurement event, page view, scroll, outbound link, site search, video engagement, and file download. So when I use Universal Analytics, and we will make a lot of tag actually on there, like contact form 7 linker, add to cart event, e-commerce purchase event, email event, phone number event, file download. And right now Google Analytics 4 have these are automatically enhanced measurement event, page view, scroll, outbound link, and you can see outbound link. That's why we can create GA outbound link, and we can add like this type of event and Google Analytics event, and we will select URL path and UID, and this trigger only outbound link trigger. We will create custom trigger. And right now Google Analytics 4 have enhanced measurement event, so no need to create this type of event actually. So now I'm going to show you page view, scroll, and outbound link event. And right now we are already on there, and I'm going to the variable data layer. There I have no data layer. Variable, there I have no variable cause of we did not set up on there. So now I'm on Google Analytics admin dashboard. I'm going to the property, then data stream, and we can select our stream actually, this one, and you can see enhanced measurement on here. And when I select setting, and you will see like this, these are page view, these are not these are automatically enabled. We can disable this. And here is the scroll, how many percentage scroll we can select, and when we can enable and disable this. There is outbound link, site search link, and here is video engagement, file download. And you can see when I use Universal Analytics, and here is we can use file download, outbound link, scroll, YouTube video. And right now Google Analytics 4 have default, and these are actually very incredible. I really like this Google Analytics 4 property. And you can see the site search is this type of query. If your website have custom like Laravel or any other website, custom website, and you can easily put this search parameter on there also. So search parameter, what is search parameter? I'm going to the website, then I'm search on there, and here is I search t-shirt, and you can see on our website // this is actually search parameter. And when I go to this here, and you can see, yes, these are actually working, and this type of keyword actually working on the search And if you have any custom, and you can easily put this video engagement. Video engagement means if our website have video, then how many minutes, how many seconds our visitor view our YouTube video, then we can easily track actually like this event, video engagement. And file download is if our website have any PDF file, if anyone download this file, and we can easily track how many download this file. So I think you understand what I mean. So right now we know about enhanced measurement event, and these are actually working, and I will show you in the next minute. Okay, right now I am going to show you, and I'm going to the tag manager, and our property is e-commerce, then digital analysis web. These are our main property. Right now these are working, and here is tag, preview and variable. I'm going to the preview. We are already on the preview, and this click this page, which page link clicked, and you can see link clicked, which link, and you can see the variable is like this. So what is actually variable? So when I go to the another page like shop page, and you can see fire another. So what is link click? This one link click, and which page I'm going to on the top window loaded. You can see now I'm on the shop page, correct? So what is variable? Now I'm going to enable a lot of variable, and variable have Google Tag Manager have two type of variable, built-in variable and user-defined variable. So what is built-in variable? I'm going to the configure, and if you want to track in utilities, I'm going to enable all. And if you want to track any error and you just enable, then we will see on the preview mode. And I'm going to click, if anyone click any text button, form submission, I enable this all. These are actually video, so we can track our video provider, status, URL, title, duration, current time, percentage. We can easily track by Google Tag Manager. So I enable all these built-in variable. So now I'm going to the preview, and you will see, and I'm going to again preview. In the same window they are already loaded. Continue. Now I'm going to the shop page, and you can see I'm going to shop page. These are ROM ready, and you can see the variable. There are a lot of variables. Right now we are enable this type of, there page URL, there page path, there have HTML ID, there have new history fragment, there are undefined, they are undefined, we did not configure it actually. There have no error line, there have no error matches. Now I'm going to the product page, I'm going to the another active product page, and here is title, content on here. I'm going to here, which product, and this product, I'm going to the top, and which product we are on there, and product. So you can see like this. So I'm going to the data layer, and you can see the product. So when I enable data layer, and we will see all the information, all the information of this. These are product title, product description, product impression, add to cart button. We will track everything actually. Here is some impression. We will see on the next video. We will enable data layer. So these are actually event, recommended event, and I'm already show you. Now I'm going to the these are actually enhanced measurement event. So recommended event is your website retail, job or travel game. You can easily check out this if they are recommended event like this. These are actually a small letter, all small letter. If you use 2 words, you can make an underscore between 2 words. So if your website is online sale, you can easily track add to cart, payment, purchase, refund. We will see in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe this video, and I think you will never be disappointed with my channel. Bye bye.